Okay, here's your weave pattern here, and you're certainly on the right track. We've got this is the only thing I noticed. Let's turn off the red, green, and blue. Right here, where this comes around and stops, and then stops here. I guess it looks like this one should come around and hit this point, and this one should hit this point. I think that would do it. But let's see here. Anyway, I'm going to do this a different way. How many points do we have? Let's go edit, select points, 72. And you've got 3 weaves, so that'd be 24. So you got 24 points that we're working with here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to nuke all this thing. So let's go edit, select points again. Delete those. Delete, delete. Delete. Delete, delete. Okay, so we start out with a curve and we go rebuild and 24. Okay, and then we turn on the control points and we select every other one, which there's no easy way to do that. So holding down Shift, we do that, and we move off center, like so. That's not good. Oh, I hit the wrong one. Start at the top. Okay, there we go. We'll move off that way, and then we'll take these and move off this way. And I'm just going to look at the grid from here to here and here to here, and that certainly seems, you can get more technical than that if you want and move it a very particular distance. But there's that. And so we have 12 unique, or 12 spaces on each side. So 12 into 360 is 30. Let's see here. So we're going to go ahead and rotate this. Let's see if my math is right here. F4. And let's go 10 degrees. And then let's take this one. Oh yeah. Oops, so I did the only one I had, so let's go copy and hit undo and then hit paste. And then let's take that one and go rotate with copy on from F4, and we'll go 10 more degrees. And there's our weave. Okay. So there's a 3-strand weave. Oh, let's turn these on. Okay. Oh boy. Right click, right click, right click, delete. So there's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So then, and this looks like I should have been more aggressive with moving this thing out, but it's tricky because with 24 is quite a few. I mean, that's a very rapidly repeating pattern, if you will. Okay, so let's go ahead and place some profiles here, because we're going to set this up into just one section. Okay. And here's what I mean. You might notice I'm using a different version. This is version 6, our beta version. So nothing in here I'm doing that you can't do This is just going to look a little different, the profile placer thingamajigger. So let's see. So there's a profile, and let's drive that bad boy up here. And let's turn on intersect. And I'm gonna work wherever there's an intersect point. And let's go ahead and go profile height. We'll just do about 1 or so, maybe less than that. And we'll run over this way. So let's go 1 millimeter wide, I guess. Let's go half a millimeter. This isn't going to be very, let's go less than that even. 75. This isn't even going to be the right dimensions for like legal jewelry, but you get the idea. Okay, so let's hit that one and then go add and drive one over here to this intersect point. And let's see, I need this one. I gotta figure out how many I need here for sure. Let's hit add again, and we'll put one over there too. Alright, so we'll hit enter, and there's that. And then I need one on this rail. Alright. And we'll put that down to 0.5. And 1, close enough. So we'll put one there and hit add. Drive it over there. Add. There, add. And let's go there. Oh, I did 75, didn't I? I wonder that looked. Alright, so we'll go here. 75. Or something close to it anyway. Okay, and then we just need to do one more set on the blue. Drive that thing around. $75, give or take, and alright, and add. There, you can actually hit A for add. Oops, thought you could. Oh, A, enter. There we go. Come over here. Add one right there. Okay, so we're just placing profiles, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and hit add right here and put one here, and then hit enter. So there's the pattern, and you can do this. Basically, what you want to do is select this, and then you can use the interface like in 5.4. We need to move this up. But here's where we have to decide what the repeating pattern is. Okay, and so obviously here we have oh, I might have guessed right actually. Here's where green crosses red, and over here's where green crosses red. So I have one there, and then here's, yeah, basically this is the repeating pattern right there, because we have red crossing green, or blue rather, over here and right here. So we're good to go. At this point, we just need to decide which one goes over and under each of them, and you just pick. In other words, so this one is going to go up, and if it goes up, then the other one goes down, and it can't really go down. In other words, so this one and then this one would go down. So what we'll do is we'll actually change the height of it down to we'll go 0.3. How's that? Alright, so there's that. So down and up, and so if this one went down, then coming over here, then this one goes up. And so where's Y? There it is. So it goes up, and you might want to look in the through finger. As a matter of fact, what also you can do is draw a circle out here. Hopefully this is all worth it, and at least then you know where you're raising the top to. You know, you can even grab this thing and move it. It's not that big a deal. Okay, so if that one went up, then this one right here needs to go down again. 0.3. Enter. And that's that. The next one coming over would be red on green, and as you notice, it's going up. Okay? You can also come in here to help yourself from going slowly insane and color code these. So there's the ones on green. Okay, and then the crossing ones would if this one is down, let me pause here. Okay, so I'm doing this, I guess, a little different, but if that one's up, then this one's going to be down. And the reason I say I'm doing this a little different is what I would typically do, and let's put this one on red, is I would have just one size, and I would move them up and keep them down. But this will make it more pronounced as it goes over and under. So let's see. So this one is on red. Let's make it red, and it needs to go up to the line, like so. Enter, and then we come back here and go down. So down to 0.3, enter, and that goes there, and then we go up again, enter. So that one's red. And now we have ones that are blue. Blue. Okay, and then this one is going to go up. Where is it? Right there. And where's Y? There it is. Ring. There we go. Enter. And where'd that leave us? This one is up, so it's got to go down 0.3. Enter. Blue up. Okay, and there should be one more. Yeah, if this one's up, then this one's down. Oops, we gotta be able to see the number. Cool. Alright, there's our pattern right there. Okay. Now, that's how you understand what's going on. And quite frankly, you only need to do one of the weaves. So let's right click green, and let's go ahead, and we have 12 iterations of this. So we go transform, polar array from F4, 12, enter. 360 is the key here, enter, and around they go. Alright, and we go this one, surface sweep 1, and then I had the rail selected, so then I right click green, and there's all the little profiles, and I'm going to trust the arrows. I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit closed sweep preview, and we go OK in theory, and let's put this on a layer and hit shade and see what we got, and we're happy with that. It goes over and under and does its business, and then we take this thing and we go rotate from F4. Copy is yes, and we go 10, and then we also go 20, and then we hit enter, and we have a weave. So you might say, well, why did you do all those profiles? You cannot, at least I can't, figure out where those are to go. Oops. Without seeing the over and under and what's going to do. So if we look at the green, although you can look at every intersection and alternate them over and under. So you can see it green up, green down, green up, green down, green up, green down. But you still have to know how far to go in the, so it's the three colors help you know where to go from here to here. And in case you didn't understand that every 10 degrees, if we have 36 points and divide that into 360, that's 30. And since it's a 3-strand weave, then it's every 10 degrees because we're eating up 30 degrees. Cool? Cool. Let's turn that back on and marvel at our wonderful weave. I got to give a shout out to Shelly Lewin because she taught me how to weave. There you go.